Hello everyone, this is Hannah from ProCandleSupply.com. I'm here to tell you more about one of our new fragrances we've just released, Cactus Flower. This is one of my personal favorites. I have a candle at home that I've been burning every evening and I'm really excited about it. This new fragrance is compatible with candles, soaps, and body products. It's a delightful fragrance that's perfect for the spring and summer months. With a sun-kissed blend of delicate cactus flower blooming on a dewy morning, mixed with a sweet aroma of fresh white flowers, green cactus, and just a hint of juicy coconuts. The fragrance finishes with notes of relaxing musk and subtle hints of sandalwood and amber. I especially enjoy this fragrance because it's not too heavy and it's really nice to relax to after a long day. The top notes on this new fragrance include citrus and sweet green cactus, middle notes of sweet coconut and floral, and finishing notes of musk, wood, and amber. I really hope you'll decide to try this new fragrance in your product line because you won't regret it. It's a sophisticated and refined fragrance that everyone will enjoy. And that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and check back for more videos on making your own candles and soaps. Bye guys.